Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to show you some of the options and features of both interior and exterior. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and just show you some of the interior features in a bit more detail. The exterior of the car is presented in the mineral grey and it is of course a 420D M Sport Coupe. You will of course see around the exterior of the car we've added the YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that it is a 2017 17 plate and has the facelift as well. So we've got facelifted front LED headlights, LED rear lights and a few interior tweaks as well. Down the side of the car we've added the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, which have just been fully refurbished in the original mineral bi-orbit grey. Alongside that we've added the satin side vinyls, sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals. You will see the sun protection glazing and the already very striking coral red Dakota leather, which we'll take a close-up glance at now. So there you can see that leather in a bit more detail. It comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options in the front. And I'll give you a glance at the rear seats, which for the 4 Series you have a nice fixed 2x2 seat arrangement with a centre folding armrest and a central storage tray. Alongside that very nice darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there, again all in very good nice condition. And we'll just head round to the rear now, just pop the seat back into position. So again I'll just show you off those lovely 19-inch alloy wheels. Towards the rear of the car we've added the gloss rear boot spoiler and the satin rear diffuser, and there are those very nice facelifted rear LED tail lights. The 4 Series Coupe comes with a very large luggage capacity, as you can see there now, and it also has split folding seats, which again further enhances that already very large space. This 4 Series we're looking at here also comes with a rear facing reversing camera, which of course I'm going to take you on board in a second to show you that in a little bit more detail. Down this side, again showing you how nicely presented the car is, and of course how well the two colour combinations work together. Heading on towards the interior now, so I'm going to go ahead and take a seat. The vehicle also has the professional wide navigation and media screen. Not only that, it also comes equipped with the Connected Drive Plus. So that is where we will start. Connected Drive Plus gives you access to the online search, news and weather functions, which are all powered by Google and utilise the vehicle's own onboard 4G network, so none of your data is used as and when you connect a 4G device to the car. A very useful and very clever satellite navigation on board, which uses real-time traffic updates, again utilising that 4G network to keep you on the fastest route possible. Bluetooth for not only telephone but as well as audio. We've also got a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, CD, DVD and of course AUX and USB inputs. And of course there is that lovely rear facing reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors. We'll quickly pop the vehicle back in park just to stop it beeping away at us. There is of course the dual climate control switches for the heated seats. This has the lovely 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We'll also find the cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. In terms of mileage, it has covered just over 48,000 miles and is in lovely condition throughout, as I hope you've been able to see in this little video. It's not due a service for 9,000 miles time and it has got full BMW service history. The last visit to BMW was at 47174. That was for a brake fluid change. The time before that was for a full service, including all of the filters, which is great news for any potential next owner of the car, as of course it does mean all you'll have to carry out is a very basic oil and oil filter change. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. You will of course also find all of the relevant contact information and website links in the description for you to check the car out in more detail, along with funding options and prices. Hopefully this has been an aid in making an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. We'd just like to thank you once again for taking the time to watch the video, but most of all we hope to see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.